guys, welcome back to Nana Banana's Crazy Crew. Today we are giving our cat these.
That's the first time ever trying them. Hopefully it goes well.
Yeah.
Looks like he's very interested.
Yeah.
Come
here, Stas. Come here.
Open it, let him smell it.
That smells like chicken. Oh, yeah, he wants it.
Smells like chicken.
Yeah.
Come on, Liberty.
I can't open it. I need to get the scissors.
Is he gonna like it?
Wait. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Let me get the scissors.
Yes, our cat sits on demand. I think it's a hit. I think he likes it. He's got it on his nose. It's like a cat popsicle.
It is. He licks it clean.
So bad.
It just smells like chicken.
Maybe chicken smells bad.
Yes. There's more. He must really like it.
What do you think, Liberty? Is it a hit?
Yeah, I don't know why, but I want to try it.
No, we're not eating cat food.
But it smells so good.
All right. Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.
Bye.